Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to uninstall apps.com pre-installed with Windows 10 and that we cannot uninstall using the Windows Uninstaller. So to do it we have to go to this website called CCleaner.com. This is a free application that you can get to keep your PC clean and also to uninstall some applications. So in this case, as I told you, I'm gonna download the free options, this one right here, the green one. Now we have to follow the on-screen indications. I'm gonna choose downloads to save this download, click on save. Now I'm gonna open this, we have to wait for the app to be launched. And now we have to install the application. I'm gonna click on customize just to see what is happening right now. Okay. I don't mind any of this, so I'm gonna click on install. I don't want to see the release notes. And now I'm gonna click on run CCleaner. Okay, so CCleaner free is ready. Start speeding up and optimizing your PC today. I'm gonna click on continue. I don't want a CCleaner browser. I'm gonna click on decline. And now start CCleaner. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, we have to go to this tab called Tools. And here, as you see, the first option is Uninstall. So now from this list, you can uninstall all the Microsoft Corporation apps that you don't want. Be careful because you don't want to uninstall something important for your system. So if we click here on Publisher, we can order the applications by the publisher. So for example, if you want to uninstall Mail and Calendar is something that I don't use. So I'm gonna click on Uninstall. And now I'm gonna click on OK. You can keep this process by uninstalling all the apps that you don't want. Don't need group music, so I'm gonna click on Uninstall again. When the process is complete, you just have to close CCleaner. And if you uninstall something by mistake, you just have to copy this. I'm gonna leave you this code in the description of the video. Open the PowerShell. Type in PowerShell here. In the search bar is this option right here. Let's select Run as Administrator, just in case. And now all you have to do is paste the code I just told you about. And now hit enter. By doing this, you'll have all the applications that you uninstall again in your computer. Okay, as you see, if now I search for group music, the app works. So if you uninstall this by mistake, you can now get it back. And that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.